Ever wondered how you'd fare in a survival situation? The answer may rely less on your physical strength and more on your mental fortitude. Welcome to a deep dive into the world of survival psychology and mental preparedness. Survival isn't just about the gear you carry or the skills you've learned. It's about your mental state. It's about how you react in crisis situations, how you handle stress, and how you adapt to changing circumstances. There are stories of people who, despite having minimal survival knowledge, have endured extreme situations purely because of their mental strength. So what is mental preparedness? It's the ability to maintain a positive, proactive mindset in a survival situation. It's about being mentally ready to face any challenge that comes your way. Unfortunately, mental preparedness is often the overlooked element in survival training. Survival psychology is fascinating. It explores how our brain reacts when we're put in survival situations. Key mental traits needed for survival include resilience, adaptability, and decisiveness. However, survival situations often trigger fear and stress, which can cloud judgment and decision-making. Mastering how to manage these emotions is critical. Training your mind for survival situations is possible and necessary. Techniques such as visualization, where you mentally rehearse survival scenarios, can help. Mindfulness, focusing on the present moment, can help manage stress and fear. Stress inoculation training, where you gradually expose yourself to stress, can enhance your ability to handle it in real situations. You can practice these techniques at home, integrating them into your daily routine. To understand the power of mental preparedness, consider the real-life stories of people who've survived against all odds. Their common denominator? A strong mind. They were mentally prepared, had a positive mindset, and didn't let fear paralyze them. These stories provide valuable lessons on survival mindset. In conclusion, mental preparedness is as crucial, if not more so, than physical preparedness for survival. It's about maintaining a positive and proactive mindset, managing fear and stress, and being adaptable. Starting your mental training now can make all the difference when it counts. So, how about sharing your own experiences or tips on mental preparedness? And remember, if you enjoyed this content and want to learn more about survival preparedness, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Stay prepared, stay safe.